Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to merge two cells in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we can see we have this two cell. For any reason you want to merge this two cell, like here we have the big text and we need to merge in this two cell. So select these two cells and here the option merge and center. So select this first option, merge and center. So two cells is now combined and text in center. Another option, just merge cells. So without keeping your text in center, you can merge two cells. Similarly, you can merge multiple cells. Just select them, then merge like this. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way you can merge two cells or multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. And you want to remove, again select that area and click on this merge and center. So now all cells and text are as before. Like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.